Hi guys, welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika and I'm here to tell you more about the iFalcon F2 40-inch FHD TV by TCL. Now this TV has plenty of advanced and user-friendly features that make it a clear winner as compared to any other brand. I will take you through all of them one by one for a better understanding. iFalcon F2 comes with a full HD display. It uses True Color LED to deliver a seamless viewing experience. This TV also has what I would say is enlightening but is called micro-dimming feature. Now this feature analyzes the TV content across its hundreds of zones, adjusting the brightness and darkness for each zone differently. And as a result, you get picture quality with great color contrast and a complete next level viewing experience. And it goes without saying, a projection 2 times clearer than standard HD screens. This TV also gives you many options to adjust the sound and tone of display across genres, such as live action sports, movies, news, live concerts, and so much more. Now, this TV is also your one-stop solution for all your sound-related needs. It comes with inbuilt Dolby audio technology. Now, this delivers powerful, high-impact sound that sets you right in the middle of action in no time. It also comes with a built-in stereo box speaker that, along with Dolby's decoding technology, delivers a wide and loud audio range, in turn boosting TV sound quality. Let's check it out. Friends, this Have-It-All TV also comes with another interesting feature. The iFalcon TV has a smart volume feature. This feature detects the kind of content that is being viewed, for instance sports, TV commercials, news, movies, and from the back end automatically adjusts the sound setting. Isn't that great? Moving on, the iFalcon TV is also equipped with the App Store that gives you the freedom to download several applications that offer video on demand, social networking, gaming, photo sharing, and so much more. You can even switch across your smart handheld devices so that entertainment never takes a halt. Needless to mention, this TV comes with all the usuals too, like certified TV version Netflix, YouTube, BigFlix, Eros Now, Yup TV, etc. In addition, this TV is also equipped with the T-Cast feature that lets you operate the TV with your phone as the remote. You can also share on social media, cast movies or photographs on the big screen, all at the comfort of your couch. The remote also has a dedicated Netflix button for your convenience. So friends, this was mostly about the software functions of this TV. Now, if you take a look at this television, you would notice that it has a very narrow bezel that looks very classy and at the same time gives you a wide viewing experience. It also comes with a minimalist design. With all the cables and sockets hidden, the look is clean and elegant. This TV has various connectivity options like USB 2.0, built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI 1.4. Now with all these features, you must be wondering about the speed of this television. And let me assure you that the CPU, memory and the 4 GB flash chassis brings down the non-responsive situations to almost zero. It boots fast, runs smoothly and never lags. In addition to this, this television is also moisture-proof and consumes very less power because of the lightning protection. So friends, I think this television is simply loaded with some really advanced features. So go right ahead and buy it without any second thoughts. So come join the Flipkart family. Here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. Now that's some package deal. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.